Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, we will be learning how to download Betway app on Android device. If you want to download Betway app on your Android device, then keep watching the video till the end. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you don't miss any videos from us. To download Betway application, firstly you need to check whether your device is connected to the internet or not. After that, you must open Play Store on your device. After opening, on the search bar, you must type BETWAY and press the search button. After pressing the search button, we will get what we are looking for in the top of our screen. After pressing to the image that says Betway, it will take you to the installation page. There you can see the install button, and when you press that install button, Play Store will then continue to install the application on your device. To know more about this application, you can go down and see a section where it is written about this app. If you press there will be a short description saying Betway is an online gaming company established in 2006 which operate. Betway offer a traditional sportsbook where you can back the outcomes of sporting events. It has also listed its features and many more information. After a while, your download will be completed and then you can open and use the application to its fullest. This is how you download Betway application on Android device. I hope the tutorial was helpful for you. If so, give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have any feedbacks or questions. We will be back soon with more tutorial videos. Till then, goodbye.